Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to customize home screen and wallpapers. So, at first open settings. Scroll down here to the section called Personalize. Tap it. Now, how to check wallpaper. Here, as you can see, we've got themes. Here I've got wallpaper and many other things. So you need to tap your wallpaper, which is not named, but it's this big square right here. As you can see here, we've got lock screen and home screen. Tap home screen, for example, and you can change the colors. You can change wallpapers from some pre-made things, or using your photos. For example, to this photo. So that's how to change the wallpaper, and then you need to just exit this place. How to change now the home screen, how to customize the home screen. This is actually easier because you need to here scroll down and tap layout. Here we've got home screen layout. It can be there 5x7, 5x6, 5x5, etc. Here you can tap and hold for preview. How does it will look like? How will it look like? And then you need to tap save. Here we've got display size and text. And now if you exit this place and hold your finger in the background in your home screen, you can see widgets, and you can add widgets from many applications. That's how it works.